What's up guys, just doing a quick video about the new project that's coming out today, which is FENIX on the Polygon chain. Just a quick tutorial in terms of how to get your FENIX tokens to be able to stake it or to hold it, or whatever you decide to do with your FENIX, because there's a few different approaches you can do. You can either hold it for the price, I believe that's what I'm going to maybe do, I'm not too sure yet, or just to stake it. Yeah, just thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to get your Zen tokens into FENIX tokens, because you have to burn your Zen tokens to get FENIX tokens. So what you do is you ensure that you're on the Polygon network. The quickest way to do it is to go to Deck Screener and you search for mXEN and it should pop up with, there it is, you go on that. Here I am already here. You then scroll down, copy the mXEN, copy that one. Then you go over to Uniswap. You then ensure you're still on the Polygon network. Make sure you're on the Polygon network. You then, let me just refresh it just to show you. Okay, so you then select token, paste. There it is. You then enter the amount you want to put in for your Matic. You then would, so for example, what I would do, say for example, I've already got some, but you should do 5, and then you swap, and then that's MetaMask will come up here, confirm swap. Yeah, just confirm it, and then it will appear in your MetaMask wallet. It's as simple as that. And then after that, you head over to FENIX.FYI. You then, or you connect your wallet. You already have your Zen tokens on Polygon, or you go to approve. You go to approve first, because you need to approve the transaction for it to then burn. It's not live yet. They're going live today in about half an hour, but I thought I'd make this video. So you approve whatever you want. So put max, approve, limited burn. So that's how much you'd want to put in, or you could do unlimited. I would just recommend doing this one, which is just whatever you have in your wallet at the time, perhaps. Not financial advice, but that's how I would do it. And then from that, you would approve it. You would then go to the transaction will pop up. Let's see if you can do it now. Nope, still can't do it, so it's not live yet. You would then go to burn Zen, put in the amount. So I'll put that amount in. Put 10,000 for as an example. I would get 1 FENIX back. So if I was to do max, I would get 44,377 FENIX, because that's how much I have in my wallet. So it is a 10,000 to 1. So if I do 10,000 Zen, I would get 1 FENIX back, and that is essentially how you do it. You would then burn, and then you would have FENIX in your wallet, and then you would be able to go over here to stake, start a stake, put your amount of FENIX in, put your number of days. I recommend doing as long as you possibly can. I wouldn't recommend doing max, because as you can see, that's the time it will finish, 2044. So don't do that. Maybe, I don't know, do whatever you want, but do a decent amount, maybe like 300, I don't know. Do a decent amount so you get a good return. The longer you stake, the better. Alright, so that's kind of how you do it. And then it would just, I guess, show on your dashboard. We'll see. It launches in 20 minutes. My time, but yeah, when you see this, I hope that helps for you in terms of how to get your Zen tokens on Polygon over to FENIX, and then to burn it, to then stake it. Or what I might be doing, I might just hold my FENIX tokens, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, launches today, so hope that helps. If you could like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.